girls trip plan today. This is the first trip that I'm taking for the year 2026, and I'm almost all set. All I have to do is just set my hair really well, and then we are ready to go. वैसे तो पहुंचना 10 साढ़े 10 बजे है. We still have 15 minutes. I'm just gonna roughly, so I'm just gonna blow dry my hair, and then I'm gonna take you along. Usually, this is the problem that I don't know where to stop with the blow drying, and but I think this is a decent enough look. Usually, I go like in parts and parts, but not for today because I'm running late and I quickly want to get a quick fix blow dry. जाने से पहले I will give it a touch up because it's me, but yes, I still have a little bit of packing to do, and then we are all set, ready to go.
Our meeting point was at Navi Mumbai, so that place is 45 minutes away from where I stay. So Arushi has already arrived and बेचारी इतना सब सामान लेकर आई है. ये हमारा सामान है और हमारी ड्राइवर अभी तक आई नहीं है. This is our starting point and we're just waiting for her. The मौसम is quite chill, no वैसे? YouTube पे ये जो मैडम आई है. Next on, this madam arrived. इनको 10:30 बोलेंगे तब जाके she'll reach at 11:30. But nevertheless, she was still very early, given her time reputation. So finally, the fourth participant has arrived for the lead. She is the first. ये जो पीछे पल्ले भी दिख रही है. So she is sorting out the entire डिक्की जहाँ से पूरा हमारा सामान सेट है. We've got a special guest, special appearance, only for 10 minutes. That's Pallavi. And this is हमारी करता रहता because इसके स्टीयरिंग व्हील में ही हमारी जान है. ध्यान से चलाना. मेरी मम्मी की इकलौती समझदार बच्ची हूँ, प्लीज. Let's set go. After taking a mandate MACD stop, we just drove for 1 hour and finally we reached the villa. It was so pretty. This villa was 1.5 hours from Panvel and Pali Hill का एक बहुत ही famous गणपति जी का मंदिर है. वहाँ से it's hardly 15 minutes. The view is so good. You can see the mountains, you can see the sunset, sunrise, everything. This villa definitely does not have swimming pool, but it has so many other things. It's a proper traditional villa with a very rustic vibe, and my heart has definitely gone to the entire veranda area that they've created. It looks something straight out of a movie. Once we got settled, we started with the gossip session and it just went on and we didn't even realize that we were more than halfway through the day. We are going to munch. Lunch का तो मन नहीं है, but munch का ज़रूर है. So we've got like sandwiches over here, and we've got Korean buns and some of more of the snacks, and we're just gonna eat it, sit, talk. The best part about this place is कि यहाँ पे network नहीं है. Wi-Fi है ideally, but it's not working. But that's a bonus for us since we're so disconnected, and I love it. We didn't even realize how the time just went by and it was sunset, though we went down and did run some errands. But being with your girlfriends just makes you understand the importance of having good quality friendship. And by evening went by, it was time to make dinner, and guess who was the chef for the night? So we are making pasta. ये actually मैं बहुत सारे ingredients भूल गई हूँ pasta के लिए. We've got Anil sir over here who's gonna help us out, and we're gonna first set some music and then start off with the pasta making. So meanwhile, he is chopping off all the vegetables. We've got our bell peppers here, and ideally this recipe is what I saw from Fit Khurana's recipe, but my brain being my brain, I forgot couple of things जो कि are more or less the main ingredient, but we're gonna figure it out how to set this right. So let's get studied. So we've got the different recipes over here. The spaghetti is getting, and this is gonna get really smoky. कर लो हल्का एकदम एकदम हल्का. रात को we did not shoot. I know that I wanted to vlog, but there was some just really intense discussion. I wanted to keep it to ourselves. So we are all packed and set and ready to go for work. Zara man nahi hai. And this entire place is so beautiful, so peaceful. I think it was such a mandate to have this girls trip. ये girls trip के बाद थोड़ी बहुत हालत ऐसी हो जाती है, but honestly it just gives the mandate break that we need, and I'm so glad we did that. By the way, you guys have to see the view. It's just so pretty. एंड ऐसे ही ये ट्रिप एंड हुआ बहुत सारी मस्ती एंड मेमोरीज के साथ. एंड येस, I am ready to take on with a lot of work after this great reset.